Hi friends and family, and welcome back. If you are new here, my name is Jennifer. On this channel we do makeup and makeup and beauty subscription unboxings, as well as clothing hauls and shop with me vlogs. Now today I have a bonus video, which is the Ipsy limited edition May glam bag. Now every month Ipsy offers an additional limited edition bag from the subscriptions. This is something you purchase on your own. It's not part of the subscription at all, and it is $14 is what they call their member price. I don't even know if you could buy it whether you're a member or not, but whatever. It's a 5 deluxe size items, and that's about all I know of that. So I'm kind of heartbroken because when I went to the mailbox, this is what happened. This is it. Yeah. Now normally I wouldn't be upset because I'd be like, oh, it's just the packaging, but not so much. So I'm gonna have a little rant really quickly. I'm like, okay, fine, sometimes this happens. Like, we see this in the grocery store. Sometimes, you know, it's gonna happen when they're using a box cutter to cut the box open and they put stuff on the shelves. It's just part of life, right? But I do not understand, for the life of me, how Ipsy did this, because all I could think is that since this is not a curated bag, that maybe they store these or ship these to their warehouse already pre-filled and whatever, and then somebody with a box knife opens that up, pulls them out, and just sticks a label on the back, and it is what it is, sends it on its way. I don't know. Do you guys know if that's what they do? Because that's the only thing that makes sense in my brain, in my mind. All right, so now let's go ahead and get the unbagging started. So like I said, normally I wouldn't be too upset, but it did cut through. Look at that. It's a pretty nice, pretty big gash there. It's a huge gash. Like, look at that. Like, how? I just don't understand how. Because I was going to give this to my mom for Mother's Day. I thought it was a really cute bag. Had this really pretty Mother's Day floral design on it. But it came late. It had the cut. And I'm unboxing it for you guys. So, you know, crap happens, I guess. Anyway, it is this cute floral bag, very pretty, has the rose gold zipper, the Ipsy coin, I'm gonna call it, and then it is nicely lined inside. Now the good news is that it did not make it through the bag. However, you can still see, I don't know, I'm trying to show you guys that you could still see that tear. Yeah, see that? Like, it's so big. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, it is a super cute bag. Here is the stuff on the inside. The first thing that I'm going to pull out is the Kinship Naked Papaya Gentle Enzyme Face Cleaner. I have received this before. I do like the product. What I like about this is that it also removes your makeup pretty well as cleansing your face. And it does have a nice papaya like scent to it. Like, it's a very light scent, and it's a little bit of a peachy color. Smells really good, feels nice on the skin, and like I said, I really liked it just because it did remove some of that makeup as well. So that's this is a good thing in there. Now they didn't put a card, or at least in mine, I don't have a card and I don't know the pricing. I did try to look online before I filmed the video, and I didn't see any of these items in there. So anyway, It is what it is. So then I got the Will Powder Blush from The Balm Cosmetics. And I did kind of already swatch it. I know, I'm sorry. I think the whole thing with it being ripped, I kind of dug into the bag a little early. But, you know, sorry. Alright, and here is that. Now it says it's a blush, but it looks more like a highlighter to me. But it's very pretty. I really like it. Look at how pretty that is. You could probably even use it for eyeshadow as well. So very gorgeous there. So I like that. The next thing is the Araceli Ojos Perfectos liquid eyeliner in coffee. So what I like about this is that it is a dark brown. I'm super, oh yeah, ooh. Oh, very nice. Now, even though it is fairly dark, I do still really like that it's brown, and I can't wait to try this because I've been using black to do my eyes and I've been wanting a softer color, so I think the brown is right up my alley and I'm definitely gonna give this a try. And this is a full-size item, you guys, so I'm excited to get this in our limited edition bag. The other thing I got, which is kind of funny, I got this Stuck On You eyeshadow primer. And the funny thing, why it's so funny, is because I literally just bought this as add-ons with the Glam Bag X. So it is this really pretty white color, or like, I don't know, I want to call it a canvas color. I really like it. It is a little more sheer than the Urban Decay. But I love the Urban Decay Eden. That is what I ran out of, and that was why I bought this. So now I have two. And here's that. And when you rub it in, if you rub it in, it goes very clear. So it's not at all, here, let's see if I could do that again. So not at all like Urban Decay's, how it's real bright, or it's real thick. This one is a little bit more sheer, I think is what I was trying to say with my life. Okay, all right, so there's that guy. And then the last thing, it's sticking out, there's a little tooth. The last thing that we got here is this gorgeous brush. I love these. Every time I see these in add-ons, I always get them. I think they're so gorgeous, they're so fun, and they really are a good quality. So I liked that. Alright, so let's go ahead and do our recap. Oh, so this is a full-size item too, so we got two full-size items. Yeah. Alright, so we got the brush, we got the brown eyeliner pencil, the Stuck On You eyeshadow primer, drawing a blank, the face wash and or cleanser, and the blush. So, and of course, you know, the bag. So what did you guys think about this bag? I will tell you what I think. I love it because I was expecting this to be a more of a face or beauty bag, and instead I got a lot of makeup. Like, I just got one skincare item and I'm so stoked. I'm shook. I'm shook that I didn't get more face stuff than makeup. I mean, they're both face stuff, duh. But you know what I'm saying, like face cleansers and balms and that stuff. Like, I'm so happy we got more makeup than we did beauty stuff. So I I don't know how many times I'm gonna say excited in this video, but I did really like the bag. For $14, I still think it was a good bag. And, you know, even though my heart's broke with this hole, woohoo, you know, it happens, it's gonna happen, you know. You just move on and we deal with it, and you know, we cry, we shed a little tear, and then everything's gonna be okay, because Ipsy sends us so many bags, this style, this size. I mean, I think we're gonna survive. I think we will. But anyway, let me know what you thought, and did you get the limited edition May bag? What was in your bag? And if you're new, I love when you guys say hi down below in the comments. It's always great to say hi to new people and make new friends and all of the things. So if you want to, it'd be great if you subscribed. And I also do stuff on Instagram as well, so follow me there. Okay, thank you guys. Have a great, wonderful rest of your week, and I hope you have a nice holiday weekend. We will see you very soon. Bye-bye.